There's the sign. There's the train rides there. We are going in now. This is the 63rd one. There's a little drawing of a wooden railway Thomason. There's one of the CGI James. It is. There's a Take Along Tidmouth Sheds. And here's all the minis. Ew. Spencer, what have they done to you? Here's what it's like inside, and holy cow, it is massive. The Thomas Model Railway, there's the Bachman Thomas next to the Alex. There's the Bachman Emily. Time ago, they never had diesel running. Percy inside the tunnel. It's this Z gauge layout. I don't know what company they are, but I think this is based on American railroads. So they added James to the layout. And I'm back in this area, and I just noticed that there's a factory error. I'm in a different room now, and there's this cool model railway that I really like. Going to the end of this set. Here is a boat exhibit. There's a helicopter on there. I know I might get some hate for this, but Rosie and Jim. And I am now in this room where they do the train simulators. Now we're going to find some more exhibits, and those are there. Here's this youthability charity thing. I saw it on the way to this exhibit. And here is this model railway. There's an LNER engine. Now we're just temporarily leaving because my dad wants a snack. While we're walking back in, I noticed that the trains are running. Look, it's Three Skeletons Thomas. We're in this room now, and that face is scaring me. And the Hornby Hugo packaging. Also, I noticed this little thing. And here's a Chuggington toy. I noticed that this talking lamppost, I think that's what it's called. It rotates. Oh. And I've also got this Hornby Railways breakdown crane, and I've just noticed that there's a piece of which I think is a football stadium. I swear those came from Hornby stations, and there's an Ertel Bulgy and lorry too. And here's what it looks like under. And also, I noticed that this was a salt and pepper thing. I thought it was a bunk bed. And here's the Bachman Percy, the Hornby Diesel, and I don't know what's been going on with Toby there. So they brought out the Hornby Express coaches. Now my trip here is coming to an end. So I will see you next time.
Factory error! Oh my god, I can't believe it! It's a factory error!
The end.